Welcome back, adventurers. Today I received the new for 2023 Fox Racing Proframe RS RTRN full face bike helmet. Now that's a mouthful. Let's get this thing unboxed. I've seen this specific color online and had to have it. It's quite expensive, but thankfully the Pros Closet was offering a $40 promo code if you sign up for the newsletter. This $50 off coupon in the box is a nice bonus. Dobby and Hagrid seem as eager as I am to see this thing. The packaging is the Fox standard minimalist approach. This particular Proframe came with a nice white bag to store the helmet in. Along with the bag, you get one extra set of cheek pads and a stick-on GoPro mount. Back for 2023 is the amazing Fidlock chin strap that I was able to do here with one hand. Notable changes are the brand new split MIPS system here. The two-position adjustable visor raises up to allow for room for the GoPro or to stow your goggles. I'm a huge fan of the changes to the removable cheek pads. As proven by the fact that I could remove these with one hand, the new buttons are a much improved system. My previous Proframe's fit could only be customized by changing out the cheek pads. Now there is a BOA dial that allows for infinite fine tuning. Outside of the white padding, I had zero complaints out of my 2021 Proframe. Much of my GoPro footage on this channel was shot while wearing it. I just simply couldn't resist the shred-tastic awesome new color. So far, my only complaint is how the marketing material barely mentions the removable GoPro mount. What Fox includes is just a plastic clip with a piece of 3M double-sided tape. This isn't exactly removable. It's very similar to what you get in the official GoPro bundle. Okay, that's enough talk. Let's stare at this thing. So what do I think? The Proframe's fit is nice, it's extremely comfortable to wear, doesn't feel any heavier than my half shell, so I have no doubt I'll be slapping this thing on my head for anything above a blue square or on any higher consequence rides. Alright, well that wraps up this video. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification. You know, all that YouTube jazz that I never ask you for. Also, what would you like to see next? Long-term review of the Polygon Siskiyou T8? Or maybe some cool riding footage in Pisgah? Or maybe some tips from one beginner, intermediate, to another. Until next time, stay shred-tastic. Shred-tastic!